Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So as you may see, we are going to marinate some chicken wings. We're going to start with a 200 milliliter of beer or 150, around quarter of onion, garlic, salt, sweet paprika, a little bit of spicy chili, sweet chili. Just sweet chili it's not that much spicy because here at home they don't eat much spicy. So now we're gonna add a little bit of mustard. We're gonna also add a little bit of soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon, as you may see. And we are gonna finish it with a little bit of vinegar. Yeah. Just like that. I'm gonna blend it. Oh, I forgot a little bit of black pepper. Just like that, and we're just gonna blend it, and this will be our marinade. Yeah, just very easy. You can of course add some spicy if you like, or any other condiment you like. So this is all our wings. We're gonna place them on a bowl for easily marinate them. Yeah, so to mix them all. We're gonna pour our marinade, just blend it. And just like that, we're gonna mix it that all the wings get the marinade, of course, and we're gonna put them in a vacuum bag, vacuum it, and after vacuum it, you can of course leave it on the fridge, on the refrigerator. This process speed up the marinating process. It reduces the time. So if you usually marinate over the night with this process, in 4 hours your meat is basically well marinated. You can also buy a lot of different meat and marinate them all and place them together as separate but together in the fridge. And after all them, you are easy. It saves some time for cooking it. So we're gonna use our air fryer today, and this time I will put them wings, and I will reserve all the left of the marinade for make a sauce. Yeah. Just like that, we're gonna just put on the air fryer on, and in this time we're gonna cook our sauce. Now for this sauce, I took the leftover of the marinade, and I add 1 tablespoon of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of unrefined sugar cane, which is called something papelón in Venezuela, which is you can also of course use some sugar if you like. So you can cook this in the low medium temperature until it gets turns like that. Of course you can add more spicy if you really like spicy sauces for the wings, and just temperature and just avoid to burn it, of course. Yeah, and just like that, we're coming to an end. Our wings are ready. We're gonna place this on the sauce on the side, and if you are till here, just subscribe to the channel, leave the like behind the video, and if you do have any question, please do not hesitate below here in the comment box. So thank you very much and have a nice day.